dear. Good evening. Happy Monday! Hello. Good evening. Hello.
Hello.
Oh, hello. Wow, what's that? What kind
I
of
was
toy?
happy birthday
Oh,
yesterday.
your birthday?
Yesterday.
Yours?
Yeah.
Wow. So that is your gift? Is that your gift? Oh, what's that? What kind of gift is that? Who gave that to you?
Woo.
Who gave that to you, my dear? Wow. Who gave that to you? What's that? What
Đây
kind
là
of
cái
toys
gì
is
không có cái này
that?
đâu. Không là bản đó.
Who's that?
Eraser quên.
Oh.
Is is
This is what?
wait wait.
Okay. Hmm. Can I see?
Mẹ ơi, mẹ, còn bút chì tiếng Anh là gì?
Oh.
Mẹ.
Is it? You have to. Yeah. Oh, okay. Oh.
Pencil
Okay.
sharpener.
Okay. I got it. How are you today?
I'm fine.
Oh, hi, you're fine. Are you happy?
Yeah, very happy.
Wow. Why? Why are you very happy today?
Because yesterday is my happy birthday.
Oh, wow. How old are you now? Are you 11 years old? How old are you now?
Huh?
How old are you now? Are you 11 years
I'm
old? You say
I'm
it again.
10.
Oh, you are
I'm 10.
10. Oh, you are 10 only.
Great time.
How about, did you eat dinner today?
Hmm?
Did you eat dinner today?
Yes, sir.
Wow, what did you eat?
I eat S.
Can you say it again? You eat what? You eat? What did you eat?
Yes.
What did you eat?
I eat egg.
Egg. Is it egg, my dear? Oh, eggs. Wow. Who cooks your food? Who cooks egg, my dear? Who cooks your eggs? Is it your mom?
Này đâu? Tối hôm qua mà.
Who cooks? Who? Who cooks your food, my dear? Oh, my grandma. Oh, wow, your grandma. Is it delicious?
Yes.
Wow. Did you go to school today? Oh, TikTok. Wow, I know that. It's it like candy, right? Yeah, wow. Did you go to school today?
Yes.
Can you say it again? Yes, I went to school.
Yes, I went to
Good
school.
job. Wow.
Why? What's your views?
Oh, wow. I think that is your favorite toy. Oh, with water, I guess. In the ball. Oh, I think that they chargeable. Is it in when the light is off, is it in lighting? I guess. Okay, so my dear, are you ready for our class today? Are you ready for our class today, my dear? Yes or no? Are you
Yes.
ready? Oh, wow, that's great, my dear. So we will go. We will begins our lesson for today. Is it all about a day out? Okay. 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 Words. Okay.
What?
Okay, wait. And that is
Say.
this is Dawn. We will go to there. Yeah. Okay, this one. Um, um, okay. Okay, again. Can you see my screen, dear?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, first picture. What is the first picture? What is
It.
this?
C.
It.
Good job. How about this one?
I don't know.
Stage.
What is that?
Like
Good job.
stage.
Good job. How about this one?
Actors.
Actors.
Okay, good job. Next, what is this?
Screen.
Screen.
Good job. How about this one?
Cinema.
Cinema.
Good job. This one.
Movie.
Can you say it again?
Movie.
Cartoon.
Okay, again, what is this?
Cartoon.
Yes, good job. How about this one? What is this?
Dinosaur.
Good
Dinosaurs.
job. How about this one?
Animal.
Wild animals.
Okay, can you say it again?
Wild animal.
Very good. How about this one?
I don't know.
Cage.
Can you say it again? What is this?
Pets.
Good job. Okay, next, what is this?
I have a robot dog.
Hmm?
I have a robot dog.
Robot duck.
Yes.
Oh,
Dog.
wow.
Dog.
Duck. Wow. I see. How about the first picture? What? Wow. It's so beautiful
I don't know.
toys. Can you say it again, my dear? What is this?
What
What is the first pictures?
is wing? Wing.
Wing.
Yes, good job. How about this one? What is this?
Cloud. Cloud.
Pyramids.
Yes, good job. How about this one? What is that triangle?
Pyramid. Pyramid.
Yes.
Clowns.
Good job. Very good. Okay, next. So, my dear, you have to complete the words. Draw the line to match the things with the places. Okay. For example, my dear, first you have to put your answer. You have to complete the words in the underline of these pictures. And then you have to draw the line to match the things with the places. Okay, for example, the seats. They are many seats in cinema, theater, and circus. So how about the next picture, my dear? Can you please answer this
Actors.
one?
Actors.
Okay, very good. Actors. So, yes. Good job. Very good. How about this one? What is this?
Dinosaur.
Very good. Good job. How about this one? What is this?
Pyramid.
Very good. Good job. So where's the pyramid?
I
Where's
don't
the...
know.
Oh, you don't know. Okay, we'll skip that, my dear. Okay, next. What is this?
Circus.
Good job. Very good. How about this one? What is this? Okay. What is this, my dear?
Green. A cage.
Oh, wait. The first letter is letter S.
Search. Search.
Yes. Okay. How about this one, number 5? Oh, number 5. This one
Green.
picture. Good
Green.
job. Very good. So where's the... Okay. How about this one? What's this? The first letter is C.
Is Chow.
Okay, so what?
Actors.
Can you say it again?
Blue animal.
The first letter is letter C. And then,
Cage.
okay, but the underline is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 words, 8 letters.
Cartoon.
Good job, very good. How about next picture? What's this?
I don't know. Cage.
Okay,
Cage.
very good. How about this one?
Swing.
Good job. Okay, I will reveal the answer. Good job, very good. Yes, very good. Very good. Good job. Good job. Yes. Very good. Very good. Yeah, good job. Okay. Your answer in the actor cinema. Okay, good job. Okay, the dinosaur is in the museum and the pyramid is in the museum also. Okay. Theater is in the museum. Oh no, in stage. The stage is in the theater. The circus, a swing and clown is in the circus. The cage is in the zoo and wild animals. Okay, very good, my dear. Good job. You get a perfect score today. Yeah. Okay, we will go to your next task, my dear. Okay.
Yeah.
I will going to review. We will have a game review today. Okay, my dear. Oh, what's that? What did you do? What happened to your toys?
Game review.
Okay. Okay. Very good. Okay, we're going to play. My dear, you go to the blank to watch movies. What is that, my dear?
Cinema.
Okay. Okay, wait. I'm sorry. Okay. Good job. There are 20 blank in the room. What's that, my dear? There are blank in the...
It.
Okay, what? Okay, good job. Very good. Next,
Cage.
what is it called?
Cage.
Okay,
Hedge.
good job. Yes, very good. Very good. Next, I like to watch Tom and Jerry blank.
How? I know the game.
I like to watch Tom and Jerry blank.
Cartoon.
Yeah. Good job. Very good. Next, they want to be blank.
Actors.
Good job. How do we call this picture?
Cinema.
This picture?
Cinema.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. No, no, no.
Wing. Wing.
Okay, very good. You did a great job. Okay, next. Zebras, tigers, lions, elephants are all blank.
Animal. Will
You say-
animal.
Can you say it again?
Will animal.
Good job. Okay, my dear, you have to remember this. The zebras, tigers, lions, elephant are all wild animals. Okay, next. They are acting on the blank. What is your
From
answer?
the stage. Stage.
Good job. Very good. Next, Paul likes to make people laugh. He wants to be a blank in the play.
Student.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Paul likes to make people laugh.
Cloud. Cloud.
Good job. Very good. There are a lot of blank in Egypt.
Pyramid.
Very good. Oh, sorry. Oh. Good job. Next, how do we call this? What is this, Media?
Cinema.
Okay. Oh, no, no, no.
Screen.
Very good. Good job. What is
Cinema.
this?
Cinema.
What is the letter of your answer?
B.
Good job. Okay. Time is up. Okay, very good, my dear. Good job. So we will go to next. What is this? Can you read this, my dear?
Conversation.
Very good. Good job. Okay. Okay, so write the words under the pictures. My dear, where's the evening, afternoon, night, and morning in this picture? Can you guess it, my dear? Number 1. What is the word that you can describe in number 1, my dear? What is that? Is it evening? Okay. Yes, good job. Next. Okay. Okay, I will going to check your answer. Very good, very good, very good. Okay, you have a big check. Okay, very good, my dear. Good job. Okay, next. Oh, sorry. Okay, my dear, can you please, number 1, tomorrow, Mrs. Brown is going to take the children on a special day out. Okay. My dear, you have to read the conversation and choose the best questions or answer for this conversation. Okay, for example, my dear, Holly, where are we going to go on our day out, Mom? So Mrs. Brown said, shall we go to the museum in the morning? They have got some interesting dinosaurs there. Okay, so the answer is a letter B. Okay, how about number 2, my dear? What is the answer number 2? So you have to choose this one and this letter that the best answer or the best um words that you the best sentence that you complete their conversations. Okay, first, Holly, what did she say? Because Mrs. Brown said, okay, then let's go to the museum in the morning. So what is the first said of Holly? Is it, oh yes, please, it's really like to see the clowns? No, I'm not. Can we see a cartoon? Letter E, F, or G, or H? What is your answer, my dear? Okay, what is your answer? For example, this one, Holly. Where are we going to go on our day out, Mom? So Mrs. Brown said, shall we
E.
go
E.
to the, what is your answer number 2?
E.
Okay. I really want to see them. Let's go there. Okay. Then let's go to the museum in the morning. Okay. 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 Good job. Number 3. What is your answer, my dear? What is your answer number 3? What is your answer number 3, my dear? Quite early at 8:30. So let's do that in the morning. And in the afternoon, shall we go to the theater? Okay. number 4, my dear, what is your answer? I think it's so, wait, it's so hot.
F.
Okay, your answer is F. Okay, can you please put your answer on the box, my dear? Okay, what is your answer number? Wait. Your answer number 2 is E. And wait, number 3, F. What time does the museum open? Why? Okay, F. Okay. How about number 4, my dear? What is your answer? What is the reply? What is what he said, my dear? Harry said. What is this Harry said? Because Mrs. Brown said, well, we could go to the cinema and see a film instead.
I don't know.
What is your answer?
D.
E. Okay.
D.
E. How about number 5?
A.
A. Six. 2 hours, and in the evening, there's can you say it again?
H.
Okay.
H.
H. Number 7.
G.
G. Okay. Number William, what
B.
is, can you say it
B.
again? C.
B.
Oh, sorry. Okay, good job. Very good. Okay, I will reveal the answer. Wow, very good. Good job. Oh, G. The answer is G, my dear. Wait. E, H, very good. Okay, very good, my dear. Good job. So, your answer number 2 is correct. Correct. But your answer number 4 is wrong. Wrong. But your answer on number 6 is correct. And William, it's correct. And okay, my dear, can we could you please read this one? And you are Holly and Harry, and I am Mrs. Brown. Okay, my dear, first. You are Holly and Harry, and I am Mrs. Brown. Okay, my dear, can you please read number 1? You are Holly and Harry. Okay. You're Holly, Holly, Harry, Harry, Emma, Holly, Harry. And I am Mrs. Brown and William. Okay, my dear, first.
Where are we all going to go on our day out, Mom?
Shall we go to the museum in the morning? They got some interesting dinosaurs there.
Oh, I really want to see them. Let's go there.
Okay, then let's go to the museum in the morning.
What time does the museum open?
Quite early, at 8:30, so let's do that in the morning. And in the afternoon, shall we go to the theater?
Oh, I hate going there. It's boring.
Well, we could go to the cinema and see a film instead.
Can we see a cartoon? I love them.
That's a good idea. There's a very funny one which begins at 2:15.
And how long is the cartoon?
2 hours. And in the evening, there's a circus on in town. Shall we go there?
Oh, yes, please. I just really like to see the clown.
The circus ends at 10:30 in the evening, and it's going to be a special day. Are you going to come with us, William?
No, I'm
No.
not.
Very good. Okay, good job, my dear. My dear, very good. So, my dear, you have to um see you. You see. Um, wait there. F. What time does museum open? Museum. Museum open is at museum open at half past 8. Okay. The cartoon begins at quarter past 8. Okay. Pause. Circus ends at half past. Okay. So we will go to your next task, my dear. Okay. My dear, sorry. My dear, draw the time on the clock. So what time does museum open? What time, my dear? What time does museum open? Can you draw the time on the clock? Okay. 8:30. Past 8. The time is 8:30. Cartoon begins at 2:15. The cartoon finishes. Okay, wait. I want to cartoon finishes. Cartoon finish. Cartoon
Wow.
Okay, 2:15 each. And how long is the cartoon? It's 2 hours, 2:15. I think 4 p.m. Okay, I will going to check your answer, my dear. Oh, sorry. Oh, this is, my dear, this is the quarter past, 8:30. 6, the half past is 8, and then the arrow is in the 8. Okay, cartoon begins at 2:15.
What?
So, this one, my dear, 2:15. So that is 2:15, my dear. 3:10. Oh, yeah, 3:10 p.m. Okay, cartoon finishes at 4:15 p.m. Yeah. And then next, cartoon finishes is 10:30. Yeah. You have to, my dear, you have to remember the half past and the quarter. The half past is this one is in the sixth. So half past is 6th. And the quarter is 3. You have to remember that, my dear. Okay. Do you get it now? Because it's time to say goodbye. See you next time, and don't forget to review what you learned today. Okay? Don't forget to review. Yes, what we will learn today, because that's all for today, and see you on,
Friday.
yes, and did you go to school tomorrow?
Yes.
Wow, okay, you have to listen carefully to your teacher, because did you have a homework today?
Yes.
Oh, did you finish to work that?
No.
Oh, why? Why? What happened? Why did you not finish your homework today? Why? What happened? Why you didn't finish your homework today?
Because I don't have time.
Why? Why you didn't have a time? Are you okay? Did you play something? No. Did you play something? What's that? No, no, no. Be happy. And goodbye. See you on Friday. Did you know what's, no, you know this? Did you know this, my dear? Yeah. No.